Okay, we just got set up. Don't have a lot of time. Hot off the delivery truck. AirPods 2 from Amazon. Only thing is different here is that I ordered it used. So I got it for $183. Pretty cheap. I think it said very good condition. You guys are going to be seeing it with me for the first time, seeing if this actually turns out all right. I don't know. We're gonna see together, I guess. Never ordered anything used on Amazon before, so we'll see how this turns out. Could be a big flop. Don't know. Simple packaging. Got the bubbles. Looks like we got a box. Okay. Pretty weighty. Let's see what's let's see what box they gave us. If it's an aftermarket box, is this the legit box? I don't know. Amazon. Thanks to you, this product has a second life. We appreciate it. I mean, I appreciate it too. They gave me a deal. What? $250 is the normal price. $183. You guys do the math. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's not bad. Save some money, you know? Let's see. All right. Give it a little cut along the back. There we go. Wow, look at that. It's the original box. Not bad. Man, this box is gross. Wow. You guys see that? Good Lord. Let's hope that the earbuds are in better condition than this box is, because this looks like it's got water damage. It's frankly kind of sticky. Something about Las Vegas, I guess this one must have been where the last person had gotten this. According to the box, it is the second gen. We will see. I figured go ahead and get it used, just because, I mean, how bad can it be? These came out 2 months ago. So I don't know. It's a shame. It's a shame that I'm not going to be able to put this box on display or anything. Unlike like the MacBook and my iPhone boxes, this I'm probably gonna throw this away. This looks terrible. Okay, so far so good. Okay, see, packaging looks pretty intact. All the nomenclature. Yeah, connect to your iPhone. Okay. It can go away. Okay, let's see. Amazon, did you screw me over? Don't know. I don't know yet. Oh, I think they did. No way. Oh my God. Yeah, this is a Gen 1 case. That is a Gen 1 case. Yep. These are Gen 1s. For sure. It's got like pink stuff in it. Alright, well that really is a shame. Okay, there you go. Now you guys know, if you bought these used from Amazon, oh shoot, that's loose as heck. Look at all the scratches on this. It looks really bad. I mean, we can immediately tell this isn't a Gen 2. There's no speaker grill, lanyard. Shoot. I mean, if you guys could see me right now, I'm actually pretty mad. This is really disappointing. I was really looking forward to this. But you know what? It happens. That's my loss, your guys' gain. Now you guys can learn from my mistake and just look out there. Even Amazon makes mistakes, okay? And take a close look at it. Know what to look for. Like I said, the case on the second gen is completely different than the first. This is by all means a first gen. And you guys saw me open it. That I mean, we opened it together. Second gen case, box completely demolished, you know, soaked with water and whatever, second gen. This is even paperwork for the second gen. That's just messed up, you know. It just happens though. Yeah. Peace.